Hello friends, today in this video, I am going to tell you how to do makeup for dusky skin or pigmentation skin. Watch the full video and if you like it, please like, comment and share. Let's start the video. First of all we will do CTM. CTM is this first step of our makeup. It is very important to do. CTM means cleaning, toning and moisturizing. Step 2 Primer. Primer is the base of our makeup. Here I am using silicone base primer. Step 3. Color corrector. I am using orange color corrector to hide pigmentation and dark spot. Apply concealer for your exact skin tone. I am using Kryolan Concealer shade FS24. After blending concealer, I am applying foundation of the same skin tone as hers. Use Makeup Revolution's banana powder to set my makeup base. Now I am applying face blush. This is the blush palette from Miss Claire. Step 8 Highlighter. I am using gold highlighter from Sugar.